deeper than the sea. His mercy is unfailing. His arms a fortress for the weak. Let faith arise. Let faith arise. I lift my hands to believe again. You are my refuge, you are my strength. As I pour out my heart, these things I remember. You are faithful, God, forever. My feet are frozen on this middle ground. The water's warm here, but the fire's gone out. Played it safe for so long, the passion left. Turns out safe is just another word for regret. So I step to the edge and I take a deep breath. We're all down to live, but we're all scared to death. And this is the part where my head tells my heart to should turn back around, but there's no turning back now. I'm going all in, head first to the deep end. I hear you calling, and this time the fear won't win. I'm going all in. I'm all in, 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 I'm all in. I believe that one day I will see your kingdom come, and I wanna hear you say, welcome home, my child, well done. So I step to the edge.